Hey bird lovers, can you guess the bird in just 3 seconds? Let's find out. First one. Flamingo. Second one. Parrot. Third one. Peacock. Leave a like if the first 3 ones were too easy. Medium level. Fourth one. Owl. Fifth one. Sparrow. Share this video with your friends and see who knows more about birds. Hard level. Sixth one. Eagle. Next one. Hummingbird. How many birds did you guess correctly? Let me know in the comments. Last one. Master level. Woodpecker. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes every day.